Hey, Christian Warchow again from Cybersecure IT Solutions. I want to touch base with you again today on that zero-day attack that's hitting Microsoft Office. Still very, very active, and Microsoft has not yet provided a fix for it. It's still unpatched. I'm bringing this up again this week because you need to have advanced cybersecurity installed in your network. Things like threat prevention, advanced threat protection, threat hunting, zero trust environments to prevent these bad actors from launching their bad malware within your environment. We've heard of at least 2 instances where local governments in the US have been targeted by the phishing campaign. So remember, anything that you don't recognize, don't open, just delete it right away. The way this sophisticated attack most recently has worked is there's a document that's attached to an email sent to a government employee that baits the employees into opening it because it looks like it is a salary increase promise. So naturally, somebody's going to open that. Very great con. Sophisticated. Again, you're going to click on a salary increase letter, but then what happens is it launches malware, which launches PowerShell scripts in the background, and they begin to harvest volumes of information, including bank accounts, login names, you name it. And then that gets uploaded to the bad guy's server in the cloud. So again, I urge you, have a cybersecurity expert company like CyberSecure help you to protect yourself and put these more sophisticated anti-threat and threat prevention platforms in place for you. You can give us a call. I'm happy to talk with you about it. 888-257-3015. 239-494-5014 is our local number. National number 888-257-3015. Or you can email me directly at christian@cybersecureus.com. We'll keep you informed. We'll keep you up to date on the latest information on this.